Welcome back. Now, Dragon Naturally Speaking will allow you to work with the web. We can access our web browser as well as do searches on our favorite web pages. So what we're going to do to demonstrate this is we're going to turn on the mic, then we're going to open our web browser. Open Google Chrome. Press F11. Search Amazon for marketing. Click Search. Search Wikipedia for marketing. Click Search. You have now seen how to control your web browser using Dragon Naturally Speaking. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.